the Rubik's Cube challenge.
Okay, yellow. Time it.
Blue. We were first doing.
Yellow, yellow. Let's see who wins.
That would be me.
They look so serious. See, then 30 seconds.
Must be the hardest one.
Nope, because I'm already done. Exactly.
40 seconds. Oh my goodness.
You can't wait 40 seconds.
Red now.
I'm already halfway done.
10 seconds.
Like, about now, I'm done.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
That was just 20 seconds. All right, guys, I'm going to call the caller. White.
My best color.
Ten seconds. 15 seconds. 20. 25. 30. 35. Oh, all right, Shirlene. Very good.
Now,
You guys are awesome.
I beat him at his best color.
Oh,
Probably my worst color now.
you sure did.
it's your worst color now just because you got beaten once?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Okay, green.
Green.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
10.
9.
Oh my.
Oh
goodness.
my goodness. You guys are awesome. You know, I've never solved this kind of puzzle before, ever.
But it's only one color.
Give mommy 1 hour to do one color.
1 hour.
You can even do it.
Oh, I don't think I can even do it in 1 hour. I don't have any talent with puzzles.
Ready, set, red.
Okay, red. Henry called it. 5. 10. 15 seconds.
Mom, beat Kuya.
20 seconds.
Kuya. They are my kids. Oh, look.
Oh my gosh, Shirlene.
That's not my best color.
I lost track. I didn't time it. You guys are just so awesome. Oh!
Okay, blue.
Okay, last one, blue.
I'm already halfway
okay,
there.
you guys do that quick.
Time
I
up.
don't know. They didn't get it from me, that's for sure.
Henry was just copying me how to do it, and then all of a sudden it's
I'm better than you. I'm better than Dad. Oh.
Whoa. I don't know.
Can you time us? Is this one
Okay,
right?
we're gonna time this one. This time.
Do you have any tips for the Rubik solvers? Any tips? Any? No, they're too busy.
Orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
I'm still doing blue.
Okay, repeat. Oh,
Orange.
start over. Yellow. Let's see how good you guys are.
1,
Okay,
2.
10 seconds. 15. 25. 30. 35. 40. 45. 50. Oh, this is taking longer. 55.
4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. Where is it?
Oh.
Charlene is close. All right. Very good.